Brittany, you're filing your baby's nails?
Yeah.
Wow, that's quite the baby you have, Brittany.
He's enjoying it.
I just can't believe this. Okay, this is quite the sight. So this video is made on behalf of Brittany, the dog whisperer. If anybody needs their dog's nails trimmed and needs to know how to do it, I suggest you contact Brittany. Hi Brittany, right Brittany?
Yep, you got it.
I've never seen a dog lay in somebody's arms. I can't wait to see what you're gonna do for your own baby. So let's get. I gotta get a little close up over here as soon as he closes his eyes again, because his dog is sleeping as his mother is filing his nails.
It's okay,
He's fine. He's going night night.
night.
I have never seen anything like this before. The dog whisperer, B?
Yeah, sure. Why not?
The dog whisperer. And if y'all don't believe me, I'll get it a little closer. This is her dog, her baby. This is Jeter, Jetaqua. And she is cutting and filing his nails. Aren't you, B?
I sure am.
Okay then.
He's spoiled.
I would say so. I can't wait to see how spoiled your own baby's going to be in May.
May not be this spoiled.
I may not. I hope you find time for the baby. Okay, B, love you.
Love you.
Bye, baby.